Right, but first, follow me over here because an old friend has joined us in the studio. How nice. Oh, welcome back, Dr. Bunhead. We have missed you, DB.
Me too.
Let me gear up in the protective stuff because I know what you're like. Right,
Good.
so what's going on here?
Something cool, something very cool.
Nice,
Something
like
minus 196 degrees Celsius
Something
cool.
freezing. What is that?
That's liquefied nitrogen gas, liquid
Whoa.
nitrogen. Cooled to minus 196 degrees Celsius.
No way, what would happen if I put my hand in
Don't,
there?
it's, your fingers will freeze and shatter. I'll show you
Really?
some, yeah, we'll show you.
I'm not
Imagine
gonna put
that's
my
your
hand
finger,
in
we'll
there.
show you. Watch this.
Yeah?
It's not boiling hot, this is boiling cold.
Oh, whoa.
Anyway, watch this.
Yeah.
Imagine that's your finger, soft and bendy.
Squidgy rubber, yep, got it.
We drop it in here. We get a bit of a fountain.
Ooh, that's so
the heat of the
pretty.
rubber boiling the nitrogen. It shoots out there.
I like it.
But this is the exciting bit.
Yeah.
Here we go. Here's the warm end, soft and bendy.
Soft and squidgy.
This is the cold end.
That's rock hard.
Rock hard. Imagine that with your fingers.
Hard rubber.
But look at that. You can get a better idea of just how hard this is. If you take the same rubber, soft and bendy, with a tip cut in it, and over here, got a lump of wood.
Don't do it on me, thanks.
It's another lump of wood.
Yeah.
Same rubber, minus 196 degrees Celsius. Its properties change. It becomes much harder.
Frozen. No way!
Rubber nails.
Rubber nails, that's amazing.
But you couldn't do that at home because you need to keep your room at minus 200 degrees Celsius.
Oh, so you couldn't use it in your furniture to keep it together or anything?
No. As soon as it goes warm, it goes back to being soft and bendy.
Okay.
Cool to hot.
Say, don't try any of this at home. This man is a genius. You probably don't have liquid nitrogen at
They
home.
won't have any
or
liquid
like
nitrogen.
all of this equipment, but I'm just saying.
Not at all.
Yeah, carry on.
Over here, this is the stuff they used in the old days to lift the big zeppelins and airships up into the air.
Yeah, okay.
Hydrogen.
Yeah.
Great stuff. The thing about it is it's about 16 times lighter than air.
Okay.
And because of that, it's less dense than air, so it lifts things up into the air. And you'll see it will lift this like a little mini airship.
Oh, loving it.
Cool,
the
eh?
bubble ship.
But the problem is something else with this stuff, and I'll show you that now. You can't bring it anywhere near a source of ignition.
Okay.
Now I'm going to take a little safety precaution here.
I'm going to put my goggles on.
You put your goggles on.
I know what you're like.
Let's have a look at this. This happened to a famous airship called the Hindenburg, which had more hydrogen than you'd fill up in the studio.
No way.
Watch what happens when it goes near a source of ignition.
Highly flammable. That's amazing.
Highly flammable. Of course, they don't use hydrogen anymore. They use helium, which is non-flammable, but still considerably lighter than
It's
air.
inert. That means it doesn't react much.
Very good.
You teach us some
Absolutely
cool
right.
things.
Absolutely right.
Okay.
Right, here we go. Last thing.
Yeah.
An old gramophone player.
Nice.
The original portable wind-up MP3 player, but we're going to subvert its purpose. We're going to use it for something a little more exciting.
I
what
love
I'm
a
going to
bit
do
of
here
subversion.
is pop that on there.
Yeah.
Get a little flame going. Bit of fire. Imagine you had a
your
little
fires,
campfire
don't
or
you?
something in a forest. And we'll just get this going nicely.
Blowtorch, goggles
before
on.
I do safety.
Oh, safety.
Let's pop this on.
Protective blanket thing, fireproof.
Let's pop that in place
Safety
over
is key
there.
when you're doing experimentation.
Pop that there.
Yep, liking
and
it.
now we'll set fire to our...
Let's put a crepe on it.
No, we're not going to put a crepe. We're going to do something a little more exciting. We're going to
we?
put a fire cage on it.
Is that more exciting than a crepe?
It will be once you see it go,
Okay,
because
okay. I
this,
trust you, Bunhead.
once it starts spinning, we'll set up a whirlwind and a little
way.
vortex of air. And what that will do is drive air into the burning flame.
Oh, I'm loving the
and
vortex.
as it does
it's like
that,
a column of fire.
We get what we call a fire devil, and you get these in forests and volcanoes, even bonfires. You can see them sometimes.
Yeah.
The air whips around the bonfire,
Love
and
it.
we can add some extra sparkle by putting some copper salt in there. Give us some blue with
give
the
it a
copper
go.
salt,
Oh, wow, it's got a beautiful greeny colour.
and here's some red with a strontium
Beautiful,
salt.
that's stunning.
Magnesium sparkles.
Whoa!
And iron sparkles here. And
Crazy
last
guy.
of all, let's pop in. You need to step back for these because these are quite cool.
Step more back. Cameramen, step
more
back. But leave
more
the
back.
cameras there. Whoa!
Look at that.
No way!
Fabulous.
Oh my gosh, I have to stop you there before you explode the whole studio. I love your work. All
Thank
the
you.
time.
Thank
The
you,
man is a genius. Thank you, Dr. Bunhead,
Thank you,
for coming
Konnie.
in today.
Thank you.
Whew. Now, moving on while we're all intact. We all know the world-famous London Underground, don't we? But have you ever wondered what happens when the last passenger is dropped off at night?